Hi everyone. Today we bring you to video insights on renumbering of entities. Capricorn Technologies, a 1-0 company having a legacy of over 3 decades, has now become a partner of choice for the AEC industry. Capricorn Technologies is one of the biggest platinum partners of Autodesk and Bentley, along with Authorized Training Center. Today, with over 10 offices across India and 300 plus inspired team members, Capricorn is serving over 20,000 customers in the building, infrastructure, manufacturing, and a large number of other industries. Myself, Dipali Arora, Solution Specialist in Structures at Capricorn Technologies, New Delhi, will present you with detailed insights on renumbering of entities. This insight will help us to renumber entities like nodes, beam, column, and plates. By renumbering of nodes, we means renumber of nodes in a systematic order, which means that all the nodes should be in a arranged manner. That means it should be 1, 2, 3, like in a sequence. So how we will rearrange the nodes? Let's see. First, go to select option, select node cursor, select all the nodes. Now go to geometry, click on renumber nodes. Click on yes, and here write the start number, like what number you want to give to your nodes, like is it from the 1 you want to give the nodes number or from the 101. It's totally your choice. First you have to empty all the nodes number which are already existing in the structure. That I have already done, so I will just start with the number 1. I'll write it over here 1. Now I will select the coordinates in which in the order I want to renumber my nodes in. Like I want my renumbering should be in a first it should be in a x direction, then should be in a z direction, and then it should be in a y direction. So first I will select y direction, then z direction, and then x direction. You might be thinking why I have selected this order. As you can see, it's ascending. Ascending means from the lowest point to the upper point. So first it will distribute the node number in the x direction, then in z coordinates, and then in y coordinates. I'll just click on this option accept. 64 nodes have been renumbered. As you can see, now this is node number 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5. So all the nodes are in systematic order. As you can see, this is the last node number 16 of ground floor. Oh, sorry, for the foundation, right? Now, if you can see over here in name, automatically it has been assigned the number as 17. And here it is 32. Automatically it has assigned the number as 33. So the order that which we have placed, like y, x, and z, y, z, and x, it has done the renumbering in that format only. Now moving on to the renumbering of members. First we will see how to renumber members. First we will see renumbering of columns. As you can see, first I will select all the column members. Now, as you can see, this is 4,000, this is 4,007, this is 4,014. So we want everything should be in a systematic way, like in notes that we have done. So what we will do, first we will empty all the geometry, like I have told you. Click on this display whole structure. I'll select this whole structure, geometry. Our last number is 4119. So what we will do is, I'll click on geometry. I'll click on this renumber beams. Click on yes. Now first we will empty the geometry numbers because all the numbers have been already assigned till 419. So we want this number to be blank so that we can start from 1, 2, 3. Because now if you think like we have already assigned 1, 2, 3 nodes, but that are node numbers. Now these are beam say column numbers. So we can again give the column as 1, 2, 3. And I will also show you what I will give for the beam numbers. So just write over here. Suppose last number is 4119. So I will write here 4200. Okay. Now it will give the numbering from 4 to 100. As of now, I'm not doing anything. I'll just simply select this because I'm just emptying these numbers. Except okay. Now what I will do is again go to select beam panel to y-axis, go to view, select objects. Now again select only columns, go to geometry, click on this renumber beams, click on yes. Don't get confused because we have already selected only the y-axis, so it will renumber in the columns only. Now I want to start my number of columns from 1 to 3. So I'll write here as 1. Now what I want is my number should go in y direction first and then in z direction and then in y first, then in x and then in z direction. So z will be my first, then x and then y. Because I want my number should go in y direction first, then in z, x and then in z direction. Click on accept. See 1 to 3. Then I wanted my number should go in x direction. So 4, 5, 6. As you can see, our last number over here is 12. And then in z direction 30. This is how you can renumber your columns. Now moving on with beams. What I will do is I will show you for the one floor. Suppose I want to renumber my this floor. We have already empty all the numbers in for the members, so we need not to again empty the numbers. We will directly renumber the beams. Just select this panel. What I will do is go in geometry, renumber beams. Yes. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Select this. Now renumber beams. Yes. Now what I will do is right here 1, 0, 1. I want my ground floor beams from 101. I'll for upper floor I will select 201 so that if there is any warning or any beam fails, so then I know at which floor it is failing. So what I'll do is for renumbering in x direction, first choose Z and then X. Click accept. Okay. In X direction, beam has been renumbered. Now again select this whole floor. Click on yes. Write 101. It will automatically in that direction will give the last number, like 124 is in the x direction. Now it will give the 125, but you can write over here 101. Now for z direction, first x, then z. Sorry, I think I have done something wrong. Say okay. First select beam panel to x direction. Now go to geometry, renumber beams. Yes. Select 101 for x direction, first set and then x, accept. Okay. Now select beam panel to z direction, geometry, renumber, yes, 101 x and then say 101, 102, 103, 104, 5, 6, 7, 8, 112 is the last beam of beam number, and then it has automatically done the renumbering of the whole floor. If I show you once again, what we have to do is I'll show you on the another floor. We'll select this floor, view selected objects. Now what I will do is select first beam panel to x direction. Go to geometry, renumber beams, yes. Here I will write 2001 Having numbers of firstly starting from 2001 in X direction. I'm going to do it. So Z and then an X. Okay. See 201 203. And now I will select in parallel to Z direction. Then go to geometry, click on the number beams, yes. Right over here, 2001 Z, sorry, X, and then Z, except, okay, see, 2012 was the last number of in horizontal beam, and then it has started from 2013. So this is how you can renumber your column and beams. And as of now, there is no plate number in the structure, but not an issue at all. What I will do is I'll add one plate over here. Okay, and now I will just mesh this plate. So I want to renumber this plate elements. What I will do is I'll go to select and select the plate cursor and select this whole panel. Likewise, that I'll go to geometry in plates. Click on renumber plates. Yes. Suppose I want to give it from 1001 and first here set X. So this is how you can renumber your plates as well. I hope you guys had an insightful session. We shall be presenting with how to assign properties and loads in STAAD.Pro Connect Edition. For more videos and updates, do subscribe our channel Caprico Technologies Private Limited. Like and comment if you like the insight. We would be delighted to hear from you. Please reach out to us for any suggestions, query, or topic you would want to discuss. See you next week. Thank you so much.